Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a wig using 2 bundles of All Virgin Hair Boutique's Malaysian Natural Wave. I have a 16-inch and a 14-inch, and I also have a 10-inch closure to go along with it. So this is the closure. As you can see, it looks really nice and well put together. So now I'm just going to measure to see where I'm going to put my lace closure. I'm going to place my closure in the middle just because I just think, that's where it fits better. So next I'm just going to cut off the lace. I cut the lace off first because for me it's easier to sew down. So then I'm going to use my little wig pins to place my closure where I want it, and I'm just going to begin to sew the sides down. So when I sew my closure down, I'm going to start at the beginning of the closure and just sew straight back. And then once I finish one side, I'm going to go to the other side and sew it down. And also when I'm sewing this closure onto the cap, I'm not sewing the closure to the band. I'm actually sewing it to like the fabric because I still need the band to be able to stretch. Alright, so once I have my lace closure on, I'm just going to start sewing my bundles in. I'm going to start with the longest bundle, which is the 16-inch, and I'm just going to continue to sew until I finish my whole head. So right here, I'm at the end of the row, and what I want to do is flip the track instead of cutting it. So what I'm going to do is just simply flip it back. I'm going to use the tip of my fingernail to press it down as flat as I can, and I'm going to sew in place because you do not want this to be like a little knot in your sew-in or in your wig. So yeah, that's what I do. And then, of course, I just continue to sew. So once I'm completely done, I'm just going to add some layers to blend the closure with the 14-inch bundle, and it's also going to make it fuller, and it's just going to give it more bounce. So this is how it looks when it's completely done, y'all. I love it, y'all. This hair is so soft. Even after I bleached it, well, I used the box color, but even after I colored it, it's still very soft. And of course, I ended up curling it, and this is how it looks. If you would like to see how I straighten this hair and curl it, I will list the video below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.